Welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today we will be reviewing kind of slime apps. Yeah, that's a thing of slime. Yes. Okay, first thoughts. Okay, that was kind of weird. Not gonna lie, it was. Let's get on with it. Oh, it's made with Unity. Please don't disappoint me. Okay, allow. Okay, it's loading. Play. Weird. Okay, so you have to. Okay, so we have some options here. Why is it lagging a lot? Okay, I'm gonna do the first one. Okay, drag on the slime to play with it. That is weird. That is extremely weird. I don't know how to feel about that. No, I'm not. This is extremely weird. So we are going to try poking it. Oh, it's kind of pretty actually, but the colors are extremely weird. Okay, final thought. The sounds are extremely weird, like extremely. And I don't know how to feel about that. It's just like, it's extremely weird. I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 10. I'm sorry. Okay. Where's the logo? Oh, the animation's kind of cool too. So you're just gonna do that again. Why are you doing it again and again? What? No. I don't want to start. Why are they extremely expensive? No. Okay. Name's weird. Okay. Made with Unity. I'm sorry, but you're disappointing me a lot. Fidget slimy? Smash DIY slime fidget slimy. Okay. Oh my god, that looks weird. Okay. Let's do this, because this looks the weirdest. Oh my god. The sound. Oh my god, okay. Okay, let's try some poking. Okay, how do you go back? Okay, so apparently this is. What is this? This looks like alien goo. Oh my god, what is this? What is this? Okay, I'm gonna take me back. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so let's talk about rating. Did I like it? It's a 1 out of 10 for me. I don't know why I gave the previous one 4. I don't know why, but I'm not even gonna talk about how bad this is. Okay, next. I gotta split. Oh, this is kind of interesting. I think. Okay, let's see. Continue. Continue. Wait, is that who I think it is? Oh my. What? What is it? No, I don't want to try it. So, okay, so, never download these games. If you want real signs, just buy it or make it. By the way, I just find it to apply. But I'm just gonna say that never download these games. These are bad. Just bad. And I also wanted to tell you guys if you want sign other, you want content other than flying. I usually got a Switch, so maybe you want content related to that. I'm not sure. Leave a comment down below. And if you reach this part of the video and it's kind of boring, do a real emoji, and I will know that you have watched this part. Bye.